this video, I'm going to show you how to make an assistive touch animation using Protopie. That is when you press down on your app icon on your phone, that little menu that pops up above your app or icon or below it. That's what we're going to create, and you can see it right here in the file. I'm going to start a new page, and I'm going to give it a code of like 250. Make it a little light. Actually, no, keep it 2. Alright, and then after that, I'm going to add an image. And the image I'm going to use is an app that I just launched to the App Store. It's called Clava, and you can check it out in the iOS App Store. It's free. It's helping people connect with locals around them in their current location and discover local offerings in your area as well. So like discounts, happy hours, anything along those lines. We just launched, got about 200 users inside after about a week and a half. Excited for the growth. Go check it out. It's free. I'll put it in the description. But for now, I just wanted to kind of show you how to do this cool animation. So the position is going to be, I messed up. Okay, yeah, that's fine. All right. So let me just reference this, 276. Okay. So it's going to be 276. Wow, I actually got it. 353, put in the exact same x-axis that I did in the first file. So, all right, so app icon, and then what I'm going to do is, don't want another image, I'm going to create the rectangle. So let's add a rectangle, bring this guy down, line him up. His dimensions are going to be 185, 100, corner radius 14, and then his color is going to be 494949, and I'm going to add individual lines. Zoom in here, make this guy 185, and we're going to make him 1. Oh, and then I'm just going to center him. Okay, so this is main BG, this is line top, copy, line bottom. Move this guy down, just to, you know, have them there. I'll reorganize them, but I'm gonna now I'm gonna start animating. Adding this content. So I'm gonna go back, and I'm actually just gonna have my phone here for reference. So okay. And oh, not a tab. I'm gonna add a text. Zoom out. And that guy is gonna be size 12. He's gonna be bold, and he's gonna be F, all white. Okay. Take him. Lower his height. Move him around, put him right about there, bring this over, and then I'm going to come in here, call my finder. I'm just going to drop all these images in here that I already have. Obviously they're not the exact symbols Apple's using, but they're close. So I'm going to use the phone symbol, and if you look, it's pretty far over, so I'm going to make sure this is lined up, perfect, and this is called edit home screen. Okay, copy this, bring this guy, vertically align him, and where's this rectangle? 5 and one more, perfect. actually lower one more time. Okay. This is share app. Bring this guy down, line him up with him. And last but not least, we're gonna copy this guy, make it delete app. Okay, and that font color is gonna be FF3A, 3A. Okay, FF3A, 3A. Okay, bring the trash can. All right, and I think this is I just think these icons might need to be a little smaller. Yeah, there we go. All right. Move this guy up. Do the same thing, align. Move him up a notch. Align. Move him up. All right, so that's looking pretty damn close. Oh, sorry for that. So I'm now gonna group all this stuff, right? Group, and I'm gonna name it options. All right. I'm gonna give some space, and I'm gonna give this an opacity of 0. So I wanna hide it on load. I'm gonna then do an long press. So you can only access this menu on the iPhone if you hold down or press. 3D touch, I got rid of it, but yeah, long press. So if I long press, I'm gonna target app icon, and when I press this icon, I'm gonna scale the icon, because if you notice when you press on your screen, the actual app icon scales, gets bigger. So I'm gonna put this to 56 so we can test this, see, okay? And then I'm going to add an opacity of 100 to options. I'm going to give this a spring animation, give the bounce of 30, a friction at 30. And I'm going to make this guy a spring as well. Okay, so this is off a little and it's too close. So I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 4. See what this looks like. A little more. 1, 2, 3. Come over here. All right, that's looking about right. All right, so now we have this animated. So what's an easy way we can close this, right? So the same way we close in the iPhone, you just tap the background. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add an invisible background. I'm gonna add a rectangle. Rectangle, and I'm just gonna make it take up the whole space, but put it behind everything. Give it the same color as my original background. App BG, and then we're gonna add a trigger, and we're gonna add a tap trigger, and it's gonna be for the app background. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna reset, and we're gonna reset the current scene. So when I tap this background right here, it's gonna reset the current animation and elements I have on the screen. So if I hold down press, this animates, come out, click, goes back. And that's all. Quick, short, simple video showing you how to get the assistive touch on iOS in Protopie.